Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to number your rows on Microsoft Office Excel. So first open your Microsoft Excel spreadsheet or worksheet and follow these simple steps. There is two methods to number your rows on Excel. The first one is by using the fill down option. So I am going just to number, for example, uh, like that, and I'm going just to fill down all. So let's have another number and select them and fill down until the end of the rows that you want to do. So this is the first option, and you can also do however the range that you want. For example, if you are going by two steps, it will have the same thing. So you can number your uh, rows however you want. The second method is by using a formula or a function. The function called row. So it will have a number of rows, or it will uh, row your uh, rows. It will give them numbers, because the first method, if you delete some rows, it won't have the other previous rows, or it won't modify or update the previous and the next row. So this method is more efficient in numbering your rows. So we are going to initiate our formula. So we will need the equal operator, and we will go for the row option. So now, as you can see, we are just going to uh, click down, and you will have it to do from here, or you can just start from the one. So it will start from one, and just like that. And let's have it like this. So it will number all the rows. Let's do it again quickly, like this, and like that, and I will have all my rows numbered. So whenever I delete a row or like this, it will have modified the rows that I made. So basically this is the method to number your rows. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.